In this lecture, we are going to understand fully how the repositories work. All right. So here we go to source folder. Then inside we have the repository. So you can see any entity created, it is going to have its own repositories. All right. So for example, we have the cat repository. By default, it already have a constructor. All right. So here we can be able to create like fetch record to the database from the database, perform lot of query regarding the database, which in turn we can be able to use them in the controllers. All right. So whatever things we want to do, let's say with category entity, so we can be able to create the query for it here, create a function. So that function can be reused anywhere in our project. So each of the repositories are related to its sole entity. All right. So gradually we are going to understand fully how we can be able to be using the entities. Therefore, we can be able to work with the repositories relating to them in such a way that we can make the program to be fully code structured. So that's all about this lecture. In the next lecture, we are going to continue from where we stop. So see you in the next lecture.